Good afternoon, students. Now today we'll see about the corticosteroids or the hormones of the adrenal cortex. Now corticosteroids are the hormones which are secreted from the adrenal cortex. Now the adrenal cortex is divided into three major zones. First is the zona glomerulosa, second is the zona fasciculata, and the third is the zona reticularis. Now zona glomerulosa secretes the mineralocorticoids. Then zona fasciculata secretes the glucocorticoids and zona reticularis secretes the androgens. Now the androgens. Now coming to the mineralocorticoids. Mineralocorticoids are the aldosterone. Then if you see the glucocorticoid, that is the major which is secreted in our body, the cortisol and the androgens. So these three hormones are mainly secreted from the adrenal cortex. Now coming to the chemistry of these hormones. Now all these hormones from, that is the corticosteroids, are steroids in nature. Basically they are steroids in nature and they have similar structure. They contain a cyclopentanophenanthrene ring. And in this ring generally the carbon atoms are present, and to the carbon atoms various groups are attached, like the methyl group, the hydroxyl group, and depending upon the groups which are attached the activity differs. So as there are striking changes in the minor differences in the chemical structure, and the differences depending on the differences in the chemical structure the activity also differs. So the biological activity of these steroids depend on the groups which are attached to the carbon atoms, and almost all the steroids are having the same basic structure, that is the cyclopentanophenanthrene ring. Now coming to the synthesis of these hormones. These hormones, that is the corticosteroids, are synthesized from the adrenal cortex. They are synthesized in the adrenal cortex and they are released into the blood. Now the synthesis is under the control of the adrenocorticotrophic hormone, which is secreted from the pituitary. So under the influence of ACTH, which is under the control of the corticotrophin releasing hormone secreted from the hypothalamus. So hypothalamus controls the secretion of the all the corticosteroids which is secreted from the adrenal cortex. Now the major hormone is the cortisol, which is secreted, that is the glucocorticoid, which is secreted from the adrenal cortex. Now all the corticosteroids are secreted from the parent molecule, that is the cholesterol. Cholesterol is converted to the progesterone, and from the progesterone then the path will divide into the three different types of hormones are synthesized. They are synthesized within the adrenal cortical cells, and they are not stored in the adrenal cortex but they are released into the blood. The secretion of cortisol is highest in the morning, that is at 6 a.m. the concentration is highest, and then it will go on declining and it is lowest at the midnight. So in this way it follows a diurnal variation. Cortisol secretion is under the control of ACTH and it follows a diurnal variation, while the mineralocorticoids, they are not under the control of ACTH and they are controlled by the renin, angiotensin, aldosterone system. Now let us see about the further actions of the let us see about the regulation of secretion of the glucocorticoids and the corticosteroids. Now all the enzymes which are all the enzymes which take part in the synthesis of the glucocorticoids and the other hormones